A highly contentious plan to build a new apartment complex in Edmond will head to the Oklahoma County Courthouse tomorrow. The area in question, this swath of land near I-35 and Memorial, and it's led to residents spearheading a petition against it. But the petition is backfiring after the developers sued opponents, saying they tricked people into signing. News 4's Caitlin Ogle with the story.
Well, tomorrow in court, the judge will either dismiss the lawsuit, leading to Edmond voters deciding if the apartment complex should be built, or Judge Mai could rule in favor of the developer, letting construction begin.
This was not for or against the development. It's the opportunity for the citizens of Edmond to vote on the development.
Paula Burks and her grassroots group of opponents fighting to let Edmond residents vote on a possible 300-unit apartment complex. The project by Case and Associates out of Tulsa could be built along the I-35 service road just north of Memorial.
They're naturally going to bring in way more kids to our school system when we have overcrowded schools, especially in our elementary schools.
Since May, Burks and over 100 volunteers have been working to bring the decision to a ballot, gathering 4,300 signatures when they only needed 2,700. But days before the vote, an attorney for the developers filing a lawsuit, claiming the opponents tricked people into signing the petition.
The worst insult was that we covered the paragraph so that people didn't know what they were signing. He's insulting everybody that signed that petition that we couldn't read.
The attorney also claiming people who signed could have been confused, thinking they were actually signing a petition for another controversial zoning issue near 15th and Bryant, also known as Save Hafer Park.
We kept the legalese to the nth degree, the big legalese stapled to the top of our petitions. And at those special events, we even had different T-shirts. Like the people that were working on the I-35 had yellow T-shirts. The people that were working at the other one had green T-shirts.
In a letter obtained by News 4, the developer's attorney reaching out to those who signed the petition, asking them if they'll retract their signature.
He calls them and asks them if they were confused in what they signed, which in my mind is leading the witness, in our notary's mind is voter intimidation, which I think it's both.
Now the argument heads to the Oklahoma County Courthouse to decide if the question will be printed on a ballot.
We're hoping that she sees through this monkey business and dismisses the lawsuit.
And the hearing is set for 9 tomorrow morning at the Oklahoma County Courthouse. Judge Mai will be presiding in room 709. And we also reached out to both Case and Associates and the attorney's office twice today. So far, we have not heard back.